Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about a little bit about father's rights, about custody, and tell me if this sounds like your situation. You had a relationship, might be a marriage, might not be a marriage, whatever. Out of that union came a child. And now you're in a situation where, no question it's your child, you're either on the birth certificate or you did DNA testing and the paternity is established, you're paying child support, everything is going good, and all of a sudden you're having trouble getting your kid. Mom's canceling on you. Mom is telling you, it's not convenient, can you come later, can you come earlier, let's go next week, let's go this week. And how does one handle that? Well, I will tell you this. A lot of times, and I see this pretty much across the board, one parent who's the non-custodial parent will be imposed upon by the other parent who will be constantly taking liberties with parenting time. Oh, I know it's your weekend, but can Sally stay at home because grandma's coming this weekend? You know, that kind of thing. Or scheduling things deliberately on your weekend so as to occupy the time. That may be happening. If that is happening, your instinct may be, well, hang on a minute, this is a 2-year-old kid. We're going to have to get along for the next 16 years. I don't want to fight about everything. I don't want to spend a lot of money on lawyers. So I'm going to just say, okay, we'll make it up next time. I'll tell you what, we'll switch. And then you let the child go, and then you're supposed to get 2 weeks in a row because of the switch. Oh no, 2 weeks in a row, that's no good. No. Well, we'll make it up another way. How about you have a Tuesday afternoon for 3 hours and a Wednesday evening for 2 hours? You know, they start doing that. I will tell you this, and I can't only speak from my own experience, but from the experience of having represented really, hundreds and thousands really over the course of a career and a firm wide of so many fathers and so many mothers who are sharing children and trying to work it out. Your kindness, as you see it, in extending yourself to the other person will not be viewed as such. It will be viewed as weakness. And because it's viewed as weakness, the more they take, the more they're going to take. They take a little more advantage. Next time, a little bit more advantage. This time it'll be, I'll tell you what, you're supposed to have the kid till Monday morning, but can you bring him back Sunday night because we have a thing? All right, bring back Sunday night. Next time it'll be, how about Saturday night instead? Because Sunday we're all going to the movies. It's going to start little by little, and there'll be a chipping away at it. And before you know it, you'll have nothing. Before you know it, some stranger will be masquerading as you and walking that kid down the aisle because you've been so marginalized over the years that you've become a non-entity. That's what despicable parents will do. That's what people who are indecent will do. And that, unfortunately, goes on more than you would think. And the interesting thing about it is that your kid at the time may not even know. The kid may think that this is great. Well, I go to my mom's when I feel like it. I go to my dad's when I feel like it. Oh, well, it turns out I feel like going to my dad's, 20% of the time. The other 80% with mom. And that's supposed to be fair? Fair to who? The answer is it's not fair to the child. If the child only ends up with the influence of one parent, you've really denied the child 50% of his or her development because they were supposed to have from 2 parents, not 1 parent. And you know what? You may think that, oh, my wife is such a wonderful influence, it won't matter if my influence isn't there. Wrong. There's a reason why there's supposed to be 2 parents for each kid. And there are some things that you provide that the other parent can't provide and vice versa. And to deny your child that opportunity because it's convenient is you shirking your responsibility. So let's not do that. Let's make sure that we keep everything straight. Let's not bargain away our time on the theory that we're being nice. Your niceness will be reviewed as weakness. That's how they're going to look back on it. They're going to say at the end of the day, look how weak he was. As they look over their life, they're going to say, look at this. Instead of being a parent, the person took the easy way out and denied the child the opportunity to have influence from both parents. If you are concerned that you might be getting in that situation, reach out, let's talk about it. We'll see what we can do to help you out.